Greetings from Google Academy UK, and what we're going to be doing in this video is offloading our media to Google Cloud Storage without the need of any plugins. And we're also going to be, first I've converted my JPEGs to WebP, it's a better experience of the web. And then I've gone to this pre-compressed here, and as you can see I've had quite a reduction in some of the file sizes, 55 to 35. So we've got any other big ones, so there you go, like, nearly a 35% reduction or whatever, 30% reduction. So I've got those there at the minute on the post. We've got these old images which are going to be gone. So as we can see now, there are no images. So without further ado, I'm back into the bucket, and what I've got here is when you download these WebP, it shows it as a Chrome HTML document, but it's nothing to worry about. So what I'm going to do is select all these and drag them over, upload them, and lightning fast. Right, and then what we'll do is, let's see where that page is gone. Sorry, I'm just on the other screen at the moment. Right, I'll bring that. Let's see. Right, so we're going to go. So this is easy as well. Insert from URL, edit URL, get rid of that. Go here and we want in the trial banner. Click there, copy that. Oh, sorry, wrong place. There, no, there we go. Paste there, that's that in. Console dashboard. And another thing where I'll be going through this in a bit more depth is when you have to do the permissions. When I was first doing it, all that happened is the picture would only come in to show for logged in people, i.e. me. Soon as you went incognito, you had no picture, and it's down to these permissions which we set. Right, which one have we got now? It's not dashboard 3, is it? Let's see. Dashboard for organisation, which do you think it is? So what, best thing. That's not the one to be doing it on. Brilliant. So it's a dashboard there, look. Which one? Should really name the images as well. So getting a better thing of naming the images. Dashboard, that's definitely the little one. That'll have to do for now. And click there. Click there. Alright, it's the same when I'm using it twice, that's why. Edit post. Paste in there. There we go. Then down here. Bottom. Obviously, depending on how many images you've got, is how long it takes. And as you can see, I've sorted into different folders, but that will show in the URL, which I'll show you in a moment. See the size of it. And at first I tried copying these, but it won't work, and that's why you've got the organisation and stuff in the end of it. So you have to click this one and just get the public address there. Edit. When I go through the video setting up, you'll want to be watching the offloading media, the main one, and how we do it as well with WP Stateless, because this way will not work for WooCommerce products because you can't import a wool product image. This way you've got to put them into the library. So you can offload all certain media this way and then just keep all your WooCommerce on your your website where you need to keep it in your media folder. But I don't like having it all in one media folder because, to be fair, it's quite messy. Someone, yeah, that's cool. It's just business partner landlord. Alright, which one we got here? I reckon I'll put the same one in twice there. Yep. Wrong image. Set from URL. Let's see which one I've got there. Right, so I've got all these. I'm just going to pause it a bit so I don't drain you going through. You've seen the process now. That's all the images replaced, so I'll just update that, and then that should have done its thing. That way we can see I'm already back. Well, oh no, hang on. Let's refresh. So we've got some permission errors, which we shall have to have a look at. Oh no, it's one there, so we've got one image that's got a permission error. Which one is that? Project. I did put the link in correctly, didn't I? It's that one that's missing, isn't it? Let's see what. Google Cloud and swim billing. Dashboard free again. Okay. There's some WebP one as well, which is bizarre. So let's see, maybe it's got a problem repeating it. We'll just get it correctly. Sure, is that correctly, didn't we? Yeah, we did. Post. And if not, we have to go and have an investigation. See what's occurring. It's not allowing to update, so there's been no change made. Okay. So that was a change. Two pictures missing there. Let's see. Here I'm just see the entire live page. Right, there we go, we're all there, that's looking good. So it's not really a lot more to show, is there? Except like so the permissions. If you have to change the permissions on anything, this is what you do, edit permissions. And then you go add item. You can put user, and then you'd put, oh, not capital, all users, save. Because what would happen is if you don't do that, if this bucket does not say public to the internet, when you go to an incognito browser, let's find one here. Let's just make sure this page is all fed through correctly. Actually, before I realised and sorted the permissions thing out, I was seeing them because I was logged in as the organisation. So I think, oh, that's great, that I've got it solved. When I look at incognito, which you should always check your sites in, that's that. And what we'll do next is I'll show you how to set up a load balancer so you can enable it to go across Google's Cloud CDN. For that, I'll just have a quick look so we can see in my media folder, Google Academy, we've got just one image. The reason we have this one image is because you can't add the background image on the page via URL in the Customiser, which is quite annoying, but we should have all those images still here that we've put up. Let's have a look, moment search. All those images are showing, so what that does mean is goodbye to another bit of deadweight layers. You only need this, like say if you're going to be doing woo, or if you want to change your URLs to look a little bit more pretty, then what you can do is you can use a setting in this, you turn it all around to a CDN. So now we're down to 7 active plugins and everything's running. Hopefully, let's have a look, see if it tells us that our images. Alright, run audit. So there were tons about WebP images down here. Look, save images in next gen format. So we'll see if convert it to WebP and then compressing them. So I'd say it's not really done a lot. Look, time to interactive. Sometimes these take a little bit of time while we've just done things. Let's look at page speed. Page speed insights. This. Web dev should go up shortly. Well, hopefully. 4.1 seconds, that's pants. 94 on a mobile. Time to interactive on my mobile, 3.7, so the desktop should be, there you go, 0.6 seconds. You see it's scoring exceptionally well. You know, the images of, we don't seem to have fooled web dev. Maybe it'll take a little bit of time for these to bed in, so, you know, but we did lose one thing there. I'll have to look back through the video to see what that other one was. There was definitely something else there, but the scores don't seem to have changed whatsoever. Right, onto the load balancer. If it ever wants to. I'm actually going to sign off here and do a separate video for WP Stateless, because there's 3 methods of what you can do with Stateless depending what you want your storage to be. So, like I say, for the end of this one, all we have to remember is we put stuff in as bucket, and what we can do, like so with as buckets, look. Let's see, that might be the best folder to show. We can create different folders for where we want stuff to go. So if you did want to do all this for offload, you could have one folder for just your WooCommerce products, and then they'd show up in, where was we? I think I moved from plugins, weren't it? Yeah. So then you'd have just your WooCommerce products showing up here, and then everything else that you put a paste on a page or a post, you could have like this post, website images, and then call the image from there. And I also, how do I do it here? As you can see, I keep my, let's look at my drive. So I've got lots of different folders like the admin and, you know, stuff for the site, pages, images, all the images that are planned to go on the home page or swap around. Let's see what else. Page images, Google, and then Google images, and then as we go through, I'll obviously have each lesson in here, so keep tuned for more exciting Google brilliance. Peace out from Ramsgate, United Kingdom.